Good morning guys! Day here, Pinjoy TV. Welcome back to my channel. Ito umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome back! Okay. It's Saturday. And for today's video guys, I'm going to show you a bike na isang napakagandang bike. Isang basta maganda. Mahal. Maganda, mahal. Tapos power. Call it power Lods, baby. So today's video, I'm going to show you a certain bike na nagmamayari ay isang doktor na member ng Lods, good friend of mine. Papakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung ano yung meron dun sa bike. I'm going to show you the high-end parts, everything. So that will be my video for today. So quick overview lang. Basically this is custom build, meaning everything was bought one by one. It's not a stock bike, of course. It's not a stock bike. It's a custom build bike. So from the cassette, it's a high end. We have the gold, we have the XX1 cassette, and then you have the chain XX1. We have, what else? We have the wireless AXS. Dun. From there pala, makikita nyo na it's a very competitive bike. It's a custom build, of course. So, yung price range ng bike na to, if I'm not mistaken, around 12k to 14k. So, yun yung price niya. So, when you convert that into peso, that would be, I don't know, around 300, 400,000. Hey brother, what up? Wanna go first? Alright, so yun, it's 12 to 14k Singapore dollars. So it would be, if you could convert that, it would cost you around 300 to 450,000 pesos only, diba? Papasana all ka papasana all ka sa mga upgrades nila but you know, they have the money, you don't have the money. So ang gagawin lang natin is mag-video, magpa-picture, mag-upload. So yun, we have going back to the bike. So the bike has limited edition fork, of course, Fox, and then what else? You have the wireless, you have the Kashima coated, everything is expensive. Yun lang masasabi ko, everything is expensive. So yun, papakita kayo. 3, 2, 1, let's get it on, baby. yun guys, pinakita ko lang kung ano meron doon sa bike na yun. Makita nyo naman, it's very unique. It's awesome. Awesome siya, awesome bike. Power Lods bike yun. So most of the time I do the maintenance for that. I do maintain the bike. Kaya it's smooth, walang ka-issue pag maintain by Power Lods, S.A.Works. So yun, pinakita ko sa inyo guys yung bike. That would be all. Thank you for watching this Big J TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos na lalabas ni Big J. Would be all again. Big J TV signing off.